Welcome to our YouTube video on SEO keywords. In this video, we will discuss what SEO keywords are, how they work, and how to effectively use them to optimize your website's search engine ranking. SEO, search engine optimization, is an essential component of any successful digital marketing strategy. It helps businesses to improve their online visibility, generate more traffic, and ultimately drive more revenue. One of the key elements of SEO is keywords. Keywords are the words or phrases that people type into search engines when they're looking for something online. By including relevant keywords on your website, you can improve your chances of appearing in search engine results, pages, SERPs, when people search for those keywords. What are SEO keywords? SEO keywords are the words or phrases that people use to search for information online. They are the terms that you want your website to rank for in search engine results pages. SERPers. Keywords can be single words or long-tail phrases that describe what your business does or the products or services you offer. For example, if you own a bakery in New York City, your primary keywords might be bakery in New York City or cakes in New York City. Long-tail keywords might be more specific, such as gluten-free cupcakes in New York City or vegan cakes in New York City. How do SEO keywords work? Search engines like Google use algorithms to crawl and index websites. They use these algorithms to determine the relevance and authority of a website based on its content, structure, and other factors. Keywords play a critical role in this process. When people search for something on Google, the search engine uses complex algorithms to identify the most relevant websites based on the keywords used in the search query. The more relevant and authoritative a website is, the higher it will appear in the search result. To optimize your website's search engine ranking, you need to use the right keywords in your content, meta tags, and other on-page elements. By using relevant and targeted keywords, you can improve your website's visibility and attract more traffic from search engines. How to effectively use SEO keywords. Conduct keyword research. The first step in using SEO keywords effectively is to conduct keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ahrefs to identify relevant keywords and phrases that your target audience is searching for. Use keywords in your content. Once you have identified your target keywords, it's important to use them in your website's content. Include keywords in your page titles, headers, meta descriptions, and throughout the body of your content. Use long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are more specific and targeted than broad keywords. By using long-tail keywords, you can attract more qualified traffic to your website. Avoid keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing is the practice of using too many keywords in your content. This can negatively impact your website's search engine ranking and can even result in a penalty from Google. Optimize your images. Images can also be optimized for search engines. Use descriptive file names, alt tags, and captions to include keywords and improve your website's visibility. Conclusion. SEO keywords are an essential component of any successful digital marketing strategy. By understanding what keywords are, how they work, and how to effectively use them, you can improve your website's search engine ranking and attract more qualified traffic to your website. Remember to conduct keyword research, use keywords in your content, use long-tail keywords, avoid keyword stuffing, and optimize your images to get the most out of your SEO effort.